How to reboot/shut down Windows 8 without the mouse. This makes my computer shut down without needing to use a mouse. However, on Windows 8, I need the mouse to open that Charms menu on the right side of the screen. Open the Settings tab in GT, Power in GT, then choose for shutdown, sleep or restart. There is some keyboard shortcut to open these shutdown options on Windows 8 or another way to do this without a mouse.
Press Win plus D to show the desktop, then press Alt plus F4 to show the shutdown dialog, and finally, press Enter to shut down.
The easy, Win 8 only way, press Win plus I, use the arrow keys to pick power then enter. The way that works even on NT4, you can use the Win plus R shortcut to open the Run dialog. Windows has a built-in program, shutdown.exe, which can be used to shut down, log off or reboot the computer. Shutdown RT0 will immediately start a reboot. Shutdown ST0 will immediately start a shutdown. See the output of shutdown ? To know the rest of the options.
Set your power settings to have the power button of your computer shut down your PC when pressed.
Not exactly a shortcut, but a pretty fast way of doing this with only the keyboard would be to use Win plus R, then either shutdown/S/T0 to shut down or shutdown/R/T0 to reboot.